If you're on Jobber, you've probably hit a wall from an automations perspective or an integrations perspective. You want Jobber to be able to talk to your CRM, your reporting platform. You want to be able to do custom things inside of QuickBooks. You want to be able to send custom notifications, or maybe you use an email marketing platform that Jobber doesn't natively integrate with. This is the foundation of Adhesion Connect, and it's exactly why I created Adhesion Connect almost 3 years ago when I was working with Jobber users who needed to be able to do these types of things. 3 years ago, and for the last 3 years, we set out and only supported webhooks. I say only, but they're really, really powerful. Webhooks give you the ability to get notified and send information directly from Jobber to any of the other applications that you use. But over the last 3 years, I had heard from numerous customers that they wanted to be able to do things in Jobber, have other systems update Jobber, add records directly in Jobber, update custom fields, automate the creation of notes, expenses, so forth and so on. And that's really why for the last 120 days, I've been deep inside Jobber's API, mapping every single event, every single trigger, every data point that you could possibly need to develop our Zapier app. And with this, you get all of the exact same webhook triggers to be notified of those events that happen in Jobber, 26 in total, to be able to integrate Jobber data with your other applications. But on top of that, you get over 27 actions to be able to add records directly back into Jobber based on triggers inside of Jobber or based on events from your other applications. The issue was that Jobber's native Zapier app, while great, it's got 18 total triggers and actions, it just doesn't quite cut it for the advanced Jobber user who is really pushing the limits from a growth and scale perspective and wants to automate their business and integrate with the other apps that they might use to run their business. So we took that 18 and we duplicated that 18, but added things like custom field support to them, and then built on that same number to get to over, I believe the total number is 53 triggers and actions that are available directly to work with Jobber through Adhesion Connect. So Adhesion Connect as a foundation is an integration layer that's built specifically for Jobber. As I mentioned, it gives you those 50 plus Zapier triggers and actions covering events from Jobber's covering events that Jobber's native connector doesn't. Things like payment created, visit completed, timesheet entries, internal notes. And as I mentioned, it gives you those webhooks as well. So if you're a little bit more of a technical user and you want to use those webhooks to integrate with different platforms other than Zapier, such as Make, Pabbly, N8N, things like that, or even if you're a GoHighLevel user, GoHighLevel supports a direct webhook integration, and you can send information directly into GoHighLevel. So real quick, who is this for? It's built directly for home service companies, businesses running on Jobber, whether you're an HVAC company, a plumbing company, electrician, painter, general contractor, landscaper, snow removal, dog poop pickup. I mean, we have them all using Adhesion Connect today. If you're running Jobber alongside other tools and you want to make those tools talk to each other, Adhesion Connect is the integration layer that really helps you connect Jobber with your other applications and those other applications directly with Jobber. When your tools talk to each other, your business really runs without you in the middle of everything. You don't have to have an individual swivel chairing, copy pasting information, and making sure that your data is in sync. Your data just is in sync because you have your applications properly integrated. And that's exactly what Adhesion Connect does. Think of every time like a quote gets approved and you want your team to be notified, or a quote gets approved and you need to send a contract out. All of those things are totally possible using Adhesion Connect. Every video on this channel will help show you exactly how to build those workflows one at a time. If you're on Jobber and you've been frustrated by the lack of integration capabilities, or you just really need something custom, Adhesion Connect is your answer. If there's something that you want to do and we don't do it today, and it's technically possible, we will absolutely build it. Simply drop a comment below and we'll get right to work. If you've been looking for a solution like this, I invite you to find the link in the description, start your 21-day free trial. You get full access to all of the capabilities on our Pro plan, no credit card required, and we're here to help you along the way from an integration, automation, growth, and scale perspective. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you join us soon.